How can I resolve the issue of my Visa gift card not working?
Hello there. If you're watching this video, you're probably having trouble with your Visa gift card. Don't worry, it's a common issue that can often be easily fixed. In this video, we're going to discuss some of the potential problems and provide solutions to get your card back in working order.
Is your card activated?
The first thing to check is whether your Visa gift card is activated. Activation is necessary for your card to work, and some gift cards aren't automatically activated at the point of purchase. To activate your card, refer to the instructions provided with it. If you can't find these, contact the vendor or financial institution that issued the card. You'll usually need to call an automated number or visit a website, and you may need to set a PIN for your card.
Have you checked the balance?
Gift cards have a set balance, and once it's used, the card won't work until it's reloaded, if reloading is an option. Make sure you haven't already spent the full value of the card. You can typically check the balance by visiting the card provider's website or calling their service number.
Are you trying to purchase something of greater value?
A common issue arises when the cost of what you're trying to purchase exceeds the remaining balance on your gift card. In this case, you'll need to use another payment method to cover the difference. Remember to inform the cashier or the online payment system to apply a specific amount from your gift card, then pay the remaining balance with another payment method.
Are you making an international purchase?
Visa gift cards issued in the U.S. are generally not valid outside of the country, unless specifically stated otherwise. If you're attempting to make a purchase from an international vendor, this could be why your card isn't working.
Are you making online or phone purchases?
For security purposes, most online and phone transactions require the billing address to match the one registered to your card. If you haven't registered your card, or the information doesn't match, this could be the issue. Visit the card provider's website or call their service number to register your card or update your information. If none of the above solutions work, your card could be expired or damaged, or there could be an issue with the retailer's payment system. In these cases, contact the card provider for further assistance. I hope this video has been helpful in resolving your Visa gift card issues. Remember, the solution often involves some simple troubleshooting, so keep calm and carry on.